Hi everyone, and welcome back to Angie&Three. In today's video, I am going to be doing a look with this Celestial Thunder Dominique Cosmetics palette. It looks like this. And I'm excited to be using this palette. I have got this in my BoxyCharm box, and I haven't done a look in a very long time. So you know what, I was like, oh you guys, I want to film today. So I'm going to be playing around in this palette. Like I said, I don't know what look I'm going to use. I don't know what colors I'm going to use. But I'm going to be using this and I'm excited. So let's get right on into the video.
Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking. But you, I know it, you know it. We make it. Crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking. But you, I know it, you know it. We make it. Crazy. Oh my baby, got me staring at you. So I'm crazy. Won't you bend that back for me? We won't stop. Got your feet both locked. You get to fly with me. I can take you down for a ride. I take you around my life. Jaywalking, crosswalking, lip locking. But you, I know it, you know it. We make it.
Okay guys, so as you can see, I did my eye makeup look, which is so pretty. It came out so pretty. I really do love it. But I'm going to be showing you guys these lashes that I'm about to be using. My niece got selling lashes, and they are so pretty. She's selling Meek lashes on her Instagram, and when I say they are pretty, you guys, these are Meek lashes. Okay, they look like this. This one is called Pecan, and also got Hard to Get and Glamorous. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so excited for this. If you guys are interested in her lashes, let me try to like stack them because they are so cute. If you guys are interested in her lashes, I will leave her Instagram down below. Tell her that Angie&Three sent you and order your lashes. They are very affordable and you will not regret it, honey, okay? Because these lashes are bomb. So I'm about to put some on right now. I don't know which one though. I think I'm gonna put on Pecan, which are these. So yeah, I'm so excited. Like I said, I will leave her Instagram down below. Go get your lashes, and also tell her Angie&Three sent you. Oh, so excited. So I'm gonna put these lashes on right quick, and then we're gonna get back into the video. Okay, you guys, so I got on the lashes. As you can see, oh my gosh, these are so pretty. Oh, these are called Pecan. These are the lashes right here. Her Instagram, I'll leave it right here, and down below, click on it and get some lashes. These are called Pecan, the one I got on now. So freaking pretty. She hooked her auntie up. So you guys, that will be all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe. And please go check out my niece lashes, because come on, that's her hashtag. It's called Blink with the Wink. Okay guys, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye you guys. Bye bye.